Hi guys, and welcome to my channel All Things Yazz. If you have not been here before, hi, I'm Yazz and I create videos both on fashion and beauty. So if you like luxury fashion, a bit of high street and some beauty, then I think you'll really like it here. So please subscribe, like and comment. Honestly, it means the world to me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell if you ever want to get a notification whenever I post, which is normally on Tuesdays around 7 o'clock. So let's just jump straight into this video. I have two new bags to show you, so I'm going to do a little review on each, and the Louis Vuitton one is probably my favourite. So I have a Louis Vuitton to show you and a Bottega Veneta bag. So let's start with the smallest one. So this is the most stunning clutch ever. I mean, look at it. This is called the Lauren and it's in this gorgeous teal colour with this like interlocking like black pattern going across it, and it's just stunning. If you don't know anything about Bottega Veneta, this is their signature kind of look with the Napa leather woven throughout, and it's just beautiful. I have another Bottega Veneta bag and I will leave a link up above to me unboxing it. It's this gorgeous like pressed rose kind of colour, and I've been using it throughout the summer and I've absolutely adored it. It's just this gorgeous crossbody bag. Absolutely adore. So inside you have this little clasp at the front, and inside it's got this really nice suede, still got the tags on it and everything, and some tissues, and it's got just one zip compartment, but it's quite a deep, you can get a lot, yeah, definitely a deep pocket, you can get a lot in there, and it's just gorgeous. It's the perfect like to go under your arm, and it just comes just right snug underneath your elbow, so that's just perfect for me if I want a clutch. I just love it, and you know, on the corners I haven't noticed any wear and tear so far. I have had this quite a while, and again with my other one, not a lot of wear and tear, although you would have thought from the way it has been put together with the woving of the Napa leather, it might have a little bit more wear and tear, but at the moment it's fine. I'm just in love with this blue colour. This teal is absolutely gorgeous. A bit tricky to wear it with, I think, just because of the pattern, even though it's absolutely stunning. It's definitely a statement bag, but I will leave a picture up on the screen, hopefully around about now, of how I styled it. I styled it with this gorgeous white denim skirt from Mango and a black bodysuit from Alice and Olivia and my Chanel slides, and I absolutely adored it with this bag. I just thought it just showed off the bag perfectly. It was just a nice combination. I definitely wear this with more subtle outfit, like just, you know, a pair of ripped jeans, again my Chanel black Chanel slides. If you don't know, I'll leave a link, and like a white basic t-shirt. It's just look lovely just under the arm. Again, you definitely go out both casual and dressed up with this bag. It's just perfect, and I like how big it is. It is perfect under the arm. Yeah, it's just a really good bag. You can fit a lot in here, and it doesn't beef out. Like, I can fit my glasses, my little camera, I can fit my lipsticks, everything, phone. It's just a perfect clutch bag. So that was the first bag, the Bottega Veneta bag. Leave a comment down below what you think of this bag, what you'd wear it with. I definitely loved the outfit that I wore, and I could definitely see myself wearing a more casual one with it, but it's just a gorgeous little bag. Now for this Louis Vuitton bag, and I think you'll probably like this one more than the last one, but let's open this gorgeous baby up. Haven't even unboxed her yet, so this is gonna be exciting. Oh god, and it's so tightly, blimmin' heck, I can't even get into it. This is horrible torture, horrible torture. I've done it. That felt like an age. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and open it up for you all to see. It's it's not a small bag. I would probably say it's medium. But this just is the most stunning bag, and I have to be very careful, and I'll explain why in a minute. Right. Oh, the smell of it, the smell of just beautiful leather. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is the most beautiful capuchin bag from Louis Vuitton. I mean, look at that. Isn't she just beautiful? If we just take the strap out that comes with it, just take you out. And I'm not going to touch the handle too much, and I'll explain in a minute, but how stunning is that? It's the most gorgeous navy blue. It's not like a dirty navy blue, it's just the most beautiful navy blue with the gorgeous gold hardware and this amazing python strap at the top. Isn't it just gorgeous? I just love it. And this one is called the Capuchin, I think it's PM. So you have this flap in this inside, and it opens up just slightly, but it has two like sections in it. Oops, it's just the authenticity card down, or cards, and it has a pocket at the back, a zipped pocket at the back, and in the front it has, which I assume, yeah, is where this little flap goes in. So you just snug it in like this, and oh, how gorgeous is this bag? I mean, you could easily have this as your work bag. Probably the City Steamer, I'll leave a link to the previous one of my videos that showcased that, is definitely a work bag, but this is just the most amazing. If you managed to take this to work, you'd look amazing with this. But I wouldn't want to use it too much, just because I'm petrified of touching this, because it's absolutely stunning. It feels amazing. Weight wise, not heavy at all. It's probably heavier than most bags. I would say maybe like 2 pounds. But I just can't get over how beautiful it is. Definitely you could wear this both day and night. Definitely could wear it to work. The blue colour is just, it just goes with pretty much everything. I mean, it's just stunning. It's a nice bag. You can definitely fit a lot in it, and I like the compartments about it. I'm not really bothered about the zipped compartments at the moment, but yeah, I'm loving it. And it does have a clasp in here, so just above that section, I'm not sure if you can actually see because the handle might be in the way, but there's a section bit here, and above that bit you have a clasp. You can clasp this together to keep it nice and snug like that, you can see there, and then you can fold that in, so it probably more for keeping its shape. And then you also have this gorgeous strap, so making it a bit more wearable throughout the day. So there's one clasps, oops, there, and I like the strap. It's nice and thick, but obviously the thickness is not too thick. Yeah. There we go. And then again you can adjust that here, so that's quite nice that you get a strap with it. But still, I'm just blown away by the colour. It's just stunning, absolutely stunning. But let me know in the comments down below what you think. Obviously this is brand new out the box, I can't give you a update on the wear and tear, but just looking now at the corners and the way they are shaped, it does not look like there would be much wear and tear. And you do have the 4 studs on the back in the gold hardware, so that's nice and protected. Yeah, it's just beautiful, and I'm loving this. I don't know how you say it, but it's trillion leather. A nightmare with how to say things, but yeah, this one's definitely my favorite, just because the pairing of the python and this leather, especially the color combination as well as the gold, is just beautiful, really beautiful. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this bag, what you think of the Bottega Veneta bag as well. Which one's your favourite? Which one, if you had to pick one, which one would you go for? I'll just put this away. Oh, that way. There we go. So thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this kind of like review or showcasing of bags. Let me know in the comments down below if this is what you want to see more of. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.